It is a sia no kokwa for hono mo enwumo moto ane se plans na shiegu dreams ni nyinara shiegu yeda yaso nyinara shiegu eja boye na ye every say out to force kwai out to force kokwa for fast organ hano mo no kokwa for mi tie we afọ mutrim
emoya
adedine se basa
eka Nuanuma eka o. Nuanuma ediyo.
Esu omunsu nyi.
Mumachime, munkume, ya mupano, munya, yabre, opiafo yabre, yankasasa.
Na rana no minority are rejected the price of cocoa at force in Ediaba. They can't take Ghana cocoa farmers for foods. I have Penyah block me. That's why I say I need him. Over like video, no other my brother subscribe button, somebody click notification corner for latest updates. Somebody check the wide and damage. I will comment. I transfer baswa. Not sure for Penyah biashe. Etienne no cocoa for more Ghana hand website. O man ti asem de. Ekoba say at force our finance minister, in collaboration with His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, Randy Abia oye Cocoa Board CEO. Omo kwatena so edi adwen koto to adwen no. Omo adwen si se yenti cocoa ebo so. Na mame ma update bi kakra. Onum se cocoa ya ade a eno na Ghana ekura baako. Enye gold nko ade ekura Ghana. Cocoa so eka ho because enema export cocoa eye more as compared to gold. Na cocoa ya ade bia ne bo no eya make sure say you bet me a sustain it, like you bet me maintain no. In the history of Ghana, there's none a year Ghana airport to say yeah cocoa so Ghana have been see that. But enra out first in no chire mu say there be because now a free November airba no cocoa for them cocoa call my crash for no. Yeah omu nsanka omu sika. Omu nsanka omu sika. And omu twen a omu suni so omu chiri omu aban ni fasi camera na cash for nya binom fenti omu ka eni se busu enra ato force be ka saye no bia ye din twen yenko tie mu o tire mu se cocoa bag na e ko do 36.250 no 3625 Ghana cedis no now no just say yeteso ama yateso aba be duru 2587 ga say cocoa so adani high sense high sense cocoa bag ya tisu say who high sense cocoa bean ya tisu say who ama with a media no so I and some no abia dadwa enwa de in fact cocoa kwafon tie na o maboto ama o mu re ahopa na eba ye no defense ya na o mu make any say now no world market price for cocoa beans is what per metric tons no per tons no so ate it is a dollar rate so outperform. It is a dollar as what this cocoa bag as what in the world market there. And your Ghana no, was yet to me do justice to that. Now you're toso, now you're toso. And after you actually we say, there's a debt, a capital and a capital cocoa board honomo. MP before ya cattle ho. Enunti yes a name me nsa we a kai da honomo and a world market as what here any other enunti na almost no abete e bonus no mo kan say omunya no kwafo in the way say ewomu world market eswati na mame fa nkwacha aka 2016 ya to bewe ya na mahama ebefra konwa so na eka na omaja to cocoa board na eye 19.6 billion Ghana cedis and that cocoa board 19.6 billion Ghana cedis and that cocoa board said the cocoa board for a report here on 2nd November 2017 just NDC government ejaka 19.6 billion Ghana cedis and a two cocoa board and obufra konwa so and NPP buy no ye hu ye omu struggle ye eyoma famu de cocoa under no circumstance did they reduce the price but ometo mahama price na eda 475 Ghana cedis they were able to increase it to an amount of what 3,100. It is around the abbey ebeka che cocoa for say oyanti bonivri say eka 32.9 billion Ghana cedis. Eda cocoa board that wonya de work can crack. Ready abe ja de can crack because any calculation. Yanti 32.9. Na yan fanko free yanti 19.6 billion in free mu. 19.6 billion. O free uti free mu a. Momo ko na moja ka 19.6 billion. Mo buy mo si MPP for 8 years. MPP abejaka 32.9 billion. Yetemo can free more. MPP for 8 years are they the debt of 13.3 billion Ghana cedis. For 8 years, they added a debt of 13.3 billion Ghana cedis. And in one sem say enuntinyanti kokoso. Ana ema news ni mo se matam mo yisika bi akwakotua muntu aka no eye se eka de eda ho no mo fine o ma bia de eka de da ho enti eda ho no na wo be ka kire se eka eda ho no ontam kokobo sika nkotua ai untua aka no eda so da ho a eda Ghana kam untua enti esimu se be ka se uni sika because eka eda ho no untua ye wo so ye nwanya wo sika enti no dem be ka kire se enu ntianti kokobo so na inu mi bi before some of man no the first for mo kana ma mention how NDC government esi book kokwakuafo efa so 2025 ni mo onim say time wa Ghana cocoa price e cost pa na ye NDC time na ye NDC time February 2025 cocoa board recorded the highest price per ton in Ghana. You recorded the highest price because 2024 April now world market price e cost no. Now dollar rate at 13 cedis. And your calculation, April 2024, now cocoa price at the world market at $12,000. That time now dollar rate 2024 April now at 13 cedis. And it times 13. On multiply now at 156,000 Ghana cedis. Go ton of cocoa beer 2024 April as of April 2024. Now you make it 1.56 billion. And I'm a children say ton be almost 16 bars. It is a o divide there 97 million. And also ana atofos in ejina ka say e was say aban no etima kokuakuafo no 70% of this. Means e was say aban tima kuafo no almost 68 million actually. And o ka say at least 65 million. Because of dollar rate any world marketer. It makes sense. But a Kufuor government and to manko in a way say cocoa ya de bia. Say otumwa there's no way I was a water so e Ghana ha. And even say world market no e cost rokra na e wo say wusua nyansa na hu ni say eni say metumu jen edi world market achinya sa say bibi go so world market one na e so te obete so Ghana ha no ma only akuafo menya problem ene kuani nso nze ne yente so edase ya oyo okay dan say obetum ene na achina ya bete so na achina ya tum are cha na ate so sa de emwa enti no ya de tum bum world market o stabilize o steady na wan ka say what pick price ya obetimi ato even to a point that say world market eso take kra na o moka e de Kufuor no so okay then metimi ato cocoa bag no 31 million metimi ato cocoa bag 31 million and also atofo is one tiase je na oni kokuakuafo nkoye or the campaign ekodu kokuakuafo ho no mo ekodwa na nimu kire wo mu esa aban na esisimo any ade aban ye ho han a whole lot. And you know the funny thing ma mention de bi ye to be we ya NDC betena konwa so 2025 ye de NDC etena konwa so na cocoa price at world market e da so that $12,000 na January na e da so that $12,000 so in the middle of January and about $11,700 plus. In January when na dollar at 14 cedis 14.75 14.75 14.75 times 11,700. Now world market ya ko ton na yenya 172,575 and u divided by 16 na say NDC betena kron as of January na ya ko ton bag of cocoa bia o Ghana hadom a na yenya 100 million 7.850. But then this government ejides carry na o mama kokuakuafo no just 31 million e don go ton na NDC government efa 76 million no mama kokuakuafo no just 31 million. You go through February 2025. Now cocoa at the beginning of February, now cocoa at world market at $10,747. And multiplier 10,747. Now dollar 15.5 as of 8 February 2025. Now dollar akosoro akodru 15.5. And multiply 15.5 for Na eno so ye 166,578. Who divided by 16 bags ya. Na 100 million 4.1. Na se o check here. That time no so NDC for MIQ for just 31 million. Almost for 73 million. January almost for 76. MIQ for 31. February almost for 73 million. MIQ for 31 million. And you go through March. March mu at wet market na cocoa afall abedru 8,100. Na cocoa price afall at the wet market abedru 8,100. Na dollar that's the 15.5 times 15.5. O multiplier na 125,550 Ghana cedis. O divided by 16 na se o ton cocoa bag na omunya 78.460. Afe o take 70% of this 70%. Nanka was even as of March, NDC government, 80 cocoa farmers, omuto cocoa bag, 55 million as of March 2025. No omuto cocoa bag, no 55 million. But that time, na omu no 31 million. Na omu afa 47 million near chiri. That's from January, February, March, even as of April, still no omu bu cocoa for the faso. Omantum, and they were scamming the cocoa farmers. Omu we are no matter what nanka was a good for the two say, but Momo pencil February and again I recorded the highest cocoa price. And I recorded the highest cocoa price ever Ghana, the highest cocoa price. Per using world market any dollar rate, you recorded the highest cocoa price. But when to mo ye din bu cocoa for far so January, February, March, April, May mo dollar such as eba from a ho and I'm say mo the cocoa e bo be ba ko mo say dollar na e so tete no e na mo be kan bo bia e be make sense cause e so te world market e so te dollar so e te mo scam cocoa for and e ba ye no o mo defense o mo de mark cocoa for enra ne say omo aye world market boaba from dollar eswate 2016 mahama mo say Ghana ewie ya omo eko Ekufuado government take ya to be Ekufuado every year and same way they say they get catch Ekufuado
about whatever it is. I'm not interested in arguing about the correctness or otherwise of statistics. The bottom line is that whatever terms you describe this economy, you were fully aware of its state before making your promises. So I hope you will not use these statistics to form the basis of justifying when or why he's not going to be able to implement the promises. We will hold him to his.
Or catch Ekufuado say nana bema na woni mu say ya say o man no ana so betima ye niye to betima niye dia ye mpe stories ko ne koye niye same way ana ye catch that to forcing na woni mu say kada ho e ka mu bo obi to ho ana mp for be bo obi mo mfa no me excuse na mu nim say dollar rate eso betimi ate na mu nim say world market eso bete but ohwe ni pa nim Ope 2 minti, yen twantro ni 2 minti no. O ka kire mo say NDC ba meto ni 60 million ni akiri. Ti krache, be ma. Yen pe stories based on a selling transport car yen no. Yen pe stories ne na ada e wo say motimi to ne sa. Eno ana we say minority eno ano. O be press conference na we ni say ma o mo kan ye.
I am even surprised that the IMF is sleeping over this. Because we developed this strategy in consultation with the IMF as a requirement, one of the requirements for implementing the IMF program. I'm really surprised that the IMF has gone to sleep on this. And this government is recklessly managing the cocoa sector, which has brought us to this unprecedented crisis in the sector. Given the scale of the crisis in the sector now, a sector which is one of the most important pillars of our economy, one expected the government to give Cocoa Board a bailout, as we did during the MPP time, rather than reducing the producer price for cocoa. A bailout would have been necessary rather than reducing the producer price for cocoa. A bailout would have been necessary, particularly at the time we are told that the economy is strong and resilient. They said they are better managers of the economy. An economy that is better managed cannot pay cocoa farmers. An economy that is better managed reduces the producer price of cocoa. We warned this government about the reckless overvaluation of our currency. We warned them several times that these dollars they are pumping and pumping into the economy, that reckless intervention. Last year alone, they intervened to the tune of 10 billion United States dollars. The trend has continued. That reckless overvaluation of our currency will affect our economy. Because those of you who understand economics know that when you overvalue your currency, it adversely affects the export competitiveness of your country. Government should know, because they have economists amongst them. They should know that anytime you are implementing a policy, there are trade-offs. There are trade-offs, and therefore by overvaluing the currency as a policy, they should know that other sectors will suffer. So what a responsible government has to do is to achieve what we call policy equilibrium. Policy equilibrium.
The new managers of the cocoa sector have reset the trading program of Cocoa Board. We used to sell about 70% on forward sales and 30% on spot. They argued that that was an incompetent approach and decided to change it. And now they are selling about 70% on spot. That is why today, as prices have dipped, they are struggling and are saying that the price they had announced ends up being higher than the current prices on the market. That's number one. This action to announce a 28% reduction in the price amounts to a haircut of about 28% on close to 1 million Ghanaian cocoa farmers. Already when you go into the cocoa growing areas, I was in my areas just a few days ago, a lot of young people are already not going into cocoa because they say the older folk who went into it, they don't see a transformation in their lives. It's left with the old, elderly, poor on the farms. When you do this, what is going to happen in subsequent years is that even those ones will not be going into the cocoa production. If they won't sell their cocoa farms to Galamsey operators, God knows what they will do. All of this has come about because of the reset that Cocoa Board did. And that is why, respectfully, we ask the president to relieve the Cocoa Board CEO of his responsibilities at this point in time. Number two, we are asking the government that in previous times when cocoa prices fell and the government absorbed the shock and protected the cocoa farmer, the NDC government should absorb the cost of what they have done and protect the cocoa farmer and restore at least the 3,625 that they promised. This 2,800 or so that they are promising is totally unacceptable. Already we are receiving messages from cocoa farmers who say that if this is what is going to happen, they are going to demonstrate in a number of these. And if they do, we in this caucus, we will join them on the streets to do this demonstration. We thank you for the time.
When they were taking office, the producer price of cocoa, the farm gate price, was 3,100 Ghana cedis. And I remember the finance minister saying Nanadro was a cheat and that he was cheating cocoa farmers and wicked, and that he was cheating cocoa farmers big time. They increased the cocoa price from 3,100 to 3,225 and subsequently to 3,625. Yesterday, when the cabinet, emergency cabinet meeting was called, we were expecting that the president was going to give a directive that the finance minister should find money to pay cocoa farmers who have sold their produce to the license buying companies. This morning, we were waiting for the press conference at 11 o'clock. It didn't happen. 1 o'clock, it didn't happen. It started somewhere around 2:30 thereabout, only to hear that the producer price has been slashed by more than 1,000 Ghana cedis. 10 million. From 3,625 to 2,587. This has never, ever happened in the history of this country. Why are we treating cocoa farmers this way? Why? Cocoa farmer has never enjoyed the full benefit of the FOB. Never, ever. Sometimes we even pay them 40%. Cocoa farmer has sacrificed for this country. And in fact, if the cocoa farmers' farm gate price is going to be reduced by almost 30%, then everybody's pay in this country should also be slashed by that margin. Is the chief executive officer of Cocoa Board, his allowance and salary, is he going to be slashed by the same margin? I am sad. Today is a sad country for everybody. And I think the president should come again. Cocoa farmers deserve better, and they should not be treated like trash.
To the wide mommy, comment section. I Penyah Media.